Right. Continue assignment problems. Last class 30th 30. We did that 30 problem. Now 31. See, this is also a trigonometric expression. Whenever we can say trigonometric expression, meaning number of terms present in the expression, and the answer options also you have to observe here that numbers given, not trigonometric terms. Whenever the values given, okay, you can select any value, you can select. Okay, any value we can select. See here, options are numbers. Hence, angles AB can be any numbers, means angles. So I take here A is 90. Okay. B also 90. What happens? Sin 90 1, cos 90 0, cos 90 0. Now you see, where do you have cos 90? Here. Here. Here 2 are there anyway, very good. All are zeros only. But here, now you see, sin 91. So what is value? That is the reason we can select 32. If 2 sin square A minus cot square B, find the value of sin A into sin B. Answers he gave numbers here because it is the condition given. If means condition given, so you cannot select A value, B value. You have to simplify. What you do is here, right side 1 plus cot square. What is 1 plus cot square? Cosecant square, which is 1 by sin square. So sin square A into sin square B is 1 by 2. 2 here. Take square root because they want sin A and B. When you take square root, it is plus or minus. And hence, now, this is also very simple. The value of sin power 6 theta, cos power 6 theta, 3 times sin square theta, cos square theta. And here answers are also numbers. You can select theta value, easy only. One method with theta you can select 90 as well. When theta is 90, this is 0. This is also 0. Then what is left over? Sin 90. 1 over. Second method I will tell you. Subject, that is also better option. You write this 6 as whole cube. This as whole cube. 3 sin square theta, cos square theta into 1 is there. That 1 we are writing sin square plus cos square. Now you see what is this in the form of algebra. A cube plus b cube 3ab into a plus b. So which is called a plus b whole cube. Here a is sin square, b is cos square, and you know that it is identity. That is why I gave you second method also. The exam you can do in any way. Next is also a very ordinary problem. X into tan square 120 plus 4 cos square 150 9. Find x value. Simple problem. Tan 120 180 minus 60 180 minus 30. For 180 you have same function. Negative or positive or no confusion because square is there anyway. Because of square no problem. X tan square 60. 4 cos square 30. 9. Tan 60 we know. Root 3. Cos 30. Root 3 by 2. To understand all these steps I am writing here, like PUC. Not necessary actually, directly you can write it. This is 3. And this is 3. 4 cancel. 3x equal to 9 minus 3. X is equal to 2. Therefore, third option. Then next a different model. A different problem. That is, see, 35. A triangle right angle let C. Right angle let C. Then opposite sides are denoted by small letters. Small letters A, B, C, D. What is relation in this right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem? A square, B square, C square. Okay. Length of the side is A. That means distance. Now he is asking find the value of tan A plus tan B. Very good. Tan A means angle is here. When we are here, tan opposite A by B. Tan B. Now we are here. B by A. After LCM, A square plus B square by AB, where we know A square plus B square. Very easy, huh? Simple problem. We are doing all simple problems only. 36 concept related. That is, A is equal to sin 170 cos 170. Very good. Then he is asking A positive negative A 0 na, is it 1 na, like that. Cannot be 0 anyway. Okay, because it is trigonometric non-zero angles given. Therefore, definitely it is not. Now you see 180 minus 10. minus 10 second quadrant all through. Okay, sin 10 second quadrant cos is negative 10 degrees, actually it is degrees. Okay, these are all degrees. Now if you draw the graph, what is the actual graph of sin and cos? We know that sin x graph first. Okay, we will draw the sin x graph. Important. $90, 190, okay, no problem. Here it is 45. Now where is cos x exactly? Starting from here. This is 1. They intersect exactly at 5/4. Okay, they intersect 1/2. 45 then 10 degrees where we have assumed that somewhere here. This is 10 degrees. If you draw a vertical line, very important vertical line. Now you see here, this is graph of sin, okay, and this is graph of cos. In this graph, which is higher, which is big number, because this is above this cos 10 is bigger than sin 10. Understand? This is height, this is height. Which height is more? Simply coordinate geometry. This is bigger than this. From the graph we understand cos 10 is greater than sin 10. Or sin 10 is less than. Very important problem. Suddenly we are getting it. Very good problem it is. Okay? Sin 10 less than cos 10. Or you take this here less than 0. But it is called sin, it is A now. What is after then what is the answer now? A is definitely less than 0. Okay, very important. Purely concept oriented graphical analysis. So next problem is already tan of see 37. So many terms present are here. Tan 5/24, 3/24, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers he gave like this. So many terms present. 11 and then 16. 16. Array 16 no problem. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms present. Okay. Only here 2/3. Okay. This is only standard angle. remaining terms are unknown. Something you have to do. Okay. You take 11 pi by 24. 11 pi by 24 can be written as 90 minus pi by 24. Take LCM. 24, 12 minus 1. Then tan 11 pi by 24 is tan 90 minus theta. Cot. Okay. This is cot and this is tan cancel. 9. 9 pi by 24 can be written as definitely 12 minus 3. Very good. Tan 9 pi by 24. Tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta. Cot means 1 by tan, 1 by tan cut. Very good. Understood? Then other one you definitely you can only find out. What is 7 pi by 24 can be written as pi by 2 minus 5 pi by tan of 7 pi by is equal to tan 90 minus is cot. Very good. Cot tan cancel. All balance cancel. Last one only we got answer. What is the S is equal to sum? Given sum. Sum means product. Actually P minus root 3 is the answer. Fourth option. That means little bit calculation. Problem is not difficult but calculations only. So, some problems are direct, immediate answer. Some problems are direct and easy, but steps will be there, something calculation. Not difficult, but taking time. This is also 38. X is equal to a secant cube theta into tan theta. Y d tan cube theta secant theta. Find sin square theta value. What is sin square theta? Okay. First, what is x by a? This is sin by cos a, 1 by cos a. Sin theta by cos power 4. What is y by b? B sin cube by cos cube and 1 cos power. Very good. Oh. Now he is asking sin square theta. Divide them. B is not there. Y by b by x by a. Sin cube by cos power 4 by sin by cos power 4. What is implied? Ratio reversal. Cos power 4 by cut. One sign cancel. Here what is reversal of ratio? Therefore sin square theta is y by b into ay by dx is the answer. That is the fourth option. Okay, that is a fourth option. Now, next, see, 39, x by a cos theta y by b sin theta is 1. First equation. X by a sin theta y by b cos theta. Eliminate theta problem this is. That's why he is asking. That question itself is hinted. Directly he only gave you a hint. What is the hint here? Squaring and adding. Okay. Square this x square by a square cos square y square by b square sin square 2xy by ab sin cos is 1. Second equation also find square of this whole square a minus b whole square y square by minus 2xy by ab sin cos adding cancel x square by a square common sin square plus cos square y square by b square common. Then what is the answer? 2. By geometry, what is this equation represents? Coordinate geometry. Is ellipse. Okay. So only they can ask name of the locus ellipse. 40th is also concept problem. Given the cot A, cot B, cot C product positive, because the product is positive, suppose if you take angles here, all are positive, therefore definitely acute angle triangle. Okay. Alpha, beta complementary angles. See, alpha, beta are complementary angles. What is complementary? Compleo. Complementary angles. Sum of the angles 90. Given that sin alpha is 3 by 5. Sin alpha is 3 by 5. Then what is beta value from this? Or alpha value? 90 minus beta, no? So it shows cos beta also same only. Sin alpha equal to cos beta. Now what is observation? Sin alpha equal to what is the expression he is giving? Sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. Actually, this compound angle, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is this actually? Sin of alpha minus beta. Alpha value, you write this one. One method I am doing actually easy to understand. Therefore, sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. What is cos cube in terms of sin? 1 minus 2 sin square b. Cos also you can write here. Okay. Or 2 cos because you know cos beta value. 2 into 9 by 25 minus 1. 18 minus 25 by 25, which is equal to minus 7 by correct. Second option. Minus 7 by 25. Last problem, 42. With this assignment, first one chapter complete. That is see here 4a square sin square 3 pi by 4 minus 3 times a tan 225 only whole square given. 2a cos 315 full whole square. Easy problem. Suddenly we are getting one waste problem in between. Okay. 3 pi by 4 3 pi by 4 135 because pi by 4 is 45 huh? So 4a square sin square 135 3a square tan square 180 plus 45 4a square cos square 360 minus 45 over. Okay. Sin square 135 180 minus 45 180 360 you have same function I told you 3a square tan square 4a square cos square. This is also 4a square sin square huh? First to last 4a square common value I am not taking because this identity sin square plus cos square 1 huh? So this is identity. If you know value also okay, otherwise also we know. Minus 3a square tan 45 anyway 1. 4a square minus 3a square. What is final? A square. Fourth option. Ordinary problems, simple to understand. Basics. So that you will be very perfect with the different basics in the beginning of trigonometry. That is why these models we did. Don't think this only will come in exam or else you know everything. This base. What we do is next time some more different problems you try. Actually next we have to do compound angles. Some results are there like sin of a minus b, sin a plus b, cos tan cos compound angles formula and different values and their applications and then examples. Problems, that means. So that you will get more ideas for. Okay. So this is completed. Next class we start another chapter. Today's class is completed.